Welcome to Economics Quiz. If you think the video is useful and helped you in learning something, please like the video by hitting the like button. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon to get notification of our new videos. Let's start. Dash are the wants which are essential and without them we cannot imagine life. Option A necessaries, option B luxuries, option C both A and B, and option D comforts. The answer is necessaries. The shape of indifference curve is dash to origin. Option A convex, option B concave, option C hyperbola, and option D U shape. The answer is option A convex. Buffer stock is maintained by option A central government, option B SWC, that is State Warehouse Corporation, option C both A and B, option D FCI, that is Food Corporation of India. The correct answer is option D Food Corporation of India, that is FCI. International food safety standards are developed by option A Codex, option B WHO, option C FSA, option D none. The answer is option A Codex. Food Corporation of India FCI was born on March 4th, 1977, Jan 1st, 1865, Jan 1st, 1965, Jan 1st, 1975. The correct option is option C, Jan 1st, 1965. For the theory of revealed preference, the wrong assumption is option A consistency, option B transitivity, option C a cardinal measures of utility, option D none of the above. The answer is option C a cardinal measure of utility. Fixed grading is otherwise called as option A mandatory grading, option B permissive grading, option C centralized grading, option D all. The correct option is option A mandatory grading. Central Agmark Laboratory is located at option A Nagpur, option B Mumbai, option C Hyderabad, and option D Varanasi. The answer is option A Nagpur. Long period markets deal with the option A non-durable goods, option B perishable goods, option C durable goods, and option D none. The correct option is option C, that is durable goods. Agmark is the abbreviation of option A agriculture marketing, option B international marketing, option C both, option D, none. The correct answer is option A, agricultural marketing. The book Value and Capital was written by option A, Marshall, option B, J.R. Hicks, option C, Robbins, option D, Samuelson. The correct answer is option B, J.R. Hicks. When discount rate is 0, option A, we favor present consumption to future consumption. Option B, we favor future consumption to present consumption. Option C, we forcefully want to consumer everything right now. Option D, we are indifferent between present and future consumption. The correct option is option D, we are indifferent between present and future consumption. For luxuries, the demand is option A, more elastic, option B, less elastic, option C, infinite elastic, and option D, unit elastic. The correct answer is option A, more elastic. In case of unit elasticity demand, the elasticity is option A, elasticity equal to 1, option B equal to 0, option C less than 1, option D equal to infinity. The correct answer is option A, equal to 1. The substitution effect was explained by option A, Hicks, option B, Slutsky, option C, both, and option D, none. The correct option is option C, both. In consumption process, consumer stops purchasing the commodity where option A, marginal utility equal to price, marginal utility greater than P, marginal utility less than P, and option D, marginal utility equal to total utility. The correct option is option A, marginal utility equal to P. If the price of commodity is too high, the supply will be greater than the demand, resulting in a option A, surplus, option B, shortage, option C, boycott, option D, monopoly. The correct option is option A, that is surplus. According to Lionel Robbins, economics is option A, arts only, option B, science only, option C, both science and arts, option D, none of the above. The correct option is option B, that is science only. Rent, wages, interest and profit are related to the term option A, consumption, option B, production, option C, distribution, option D, exchange. The correct option is option C, distribution. Utility in economics refers to option A, pleasure, option B, usefulness, option C, satisfaction, option D, want satisfying power. The answer is option D, want satisfying power. The word market comes from the dash word. Option A, Latin word, option B, Greek word, option C, Hebrew word, option D, German word. The correct option is option A, Latin word. Zero discount rate. Option A, present value is more than future value. Option B, future value is more than present value. Option C, can't say. Option D, present value equal to future value. The correct option is option D, present value equals to future value. Liquidity preference theory of interest was proposed by option A, Fisher, option B, J.M. Keynes, option C, L.M. Keynes, option D, Robin. The correct option is option B, J.M. Keynes. Macroeconomics is otherwise called as option A, income and employment theory, option B, price theory, option C, worm eye theory, option D, none. The correct answer is option A, income and employment theory. Since indigenous agricultural technologies have no perfect market, option A, their marginal product is zero, option B, their opportunity cost is zero, option C, we can't predict, option D, their price does not reflect their value. The correct answer is option D, their price does not reflect their value. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel to get our new videos and forward it to your friends. Thank you.